Certified Six Sigma Black Belt certification program provided by ARLearners. Lesson 1. Six Sigma Black Belt Overview. What is CSSBB? Black belts have a thorough understanding of all aspects of the define, measure, analyze, improve and control DPMO model in accordance with Six Sigma principles. About CSSBB exam. Engineers, executives, professionals working in different sectors seeking knowledge of Six Sigma as a management tool for process improvement at their workplace. Quality and process managers, engineers and executives who need to have a better understanding of Six Sigma and the application of Six Sigma in process, quality, improvements. Agenda. Black Belt Role Summary. Black Belt Communication Expectations. Black Belt Selection Criteria. Black Belt Role Summary. Black Belt needs to handle obstacles and help the team overcome them. Black Belt extract knowledge from the organization's information warehouse. The Black Belt is also considered a full-time change agent. As a change agent, the Black Belt must be to think and enable changes in their organizations. Black Belt Communication Expectations. Must be able to communicate effectively verbally and in written. Must be able to communicate in private as well as in public. Must be able to work proactively and not reactively. Must be able to work in small settings. Important. The above-mentioned points will help the Black Belt perform their role effectively and have a bigger impact on the project. Without these interpersonal skills, the Black Belt is inefficient in his or her role. Black Belt Selection Criteria. Overcoming obstacles, 34%. Attitude, 26%. Logical thought process, 13%. Communication skills, 9%. Data interpretation ability, 8%. Team handling experience, 5%. And mathematical skills, 5%. The degree in mathematical is not a mandatory requirement for Black Belts, but it is expected that they can understand statistics and get trained in statistical software like Minitive and have good knowledge skills. Lesson 11. Introduction to Six Sigma. Agenda. What is Six Sigma? Why Six Sigma is useful? How does Six Sigma work? What is quality? Basics of Six Sigma. Highly disciplined process that focuses on developing and delivering near-perfect products and services consistently. Basics of Six Sigma block diagram. Basics of Six Sigma. A process is a series of steps designed to produce a product and or service as required by the customer. Process for Six Sigma DPMO. DPMO is used for process improvements, while DFSS is used for designing a new process, new product, or re-engineering. Detailed text on DFSS in later chapters. What is Six Sigma? Six Sigma thinking. All processes can be defined, measured, analyzed, improved, and controlled phases of Six Sigma. Collection of above phases is popularly known as DPMO. Any process has inputs X, and delivers outputs Y. Controlling inputs will control output. This is Y equals Fx thinking. What is Six Sigma? Opportunity defect specification limits. Six Sigma process table. Example of Six Sigma. Example of Six Sigma. Six Sigma. Introduction to Qualifications. Currently the process is working at 4.3 Sigma. which may not be the optimal level of performance. The business manager needs to know if, given the current business conditions and customer satisfaction levels, is this Sigma level acceptable. Why Six Sigma? Reduce variation and waste in a process. Gain competitive advantage and become world leader in their respective fields. Ultimately satisfy customers and achieve organizational goals. How does Six Sigma works? Management strategy. DMAIC. Focused teams. Use of statistical methods. Six Sigma and quality. Taking a process to Six Sigma level ensures the quality of the product is maintained, with the primary goal being increased profits. What is quality? Conformance to customer requirement. Technically defined as the degree of excellence of a product/service offered to a customer. Summary. What is Six Sigma? Why is it used? How is it used? What is a process? What is quality? Six Sigma and organizational goals. Agenda. History of quality. Popular quality gurus. History of Six Sigma. What is business system? Thank you for watching this video. For further information please contact us, info@ARLearners.com.